In 1963, one man had a brilliant idea. Inspired by what he had seen, he wouldn't just reinvent the wheel, he'd completely discard them. His invention would be light and agile, a product that would take off like no other. And in 1965, Flymo released its iconic Hover Lawnmower. The mower works by creating a cushion of air between itself and the ground. The motor spins an impeller inside the cutting deck, which pulls in air through an inlet above. The air is pushed out from the impeller and down towards the ground, increasing the air pressure inside the cutting deck. This creates lift and raises the mower off the ground. As it hovers, the blade spins, cutting the grass. Collecting models cleverly utilize the same airflow, vacuuming grass clippings up through a rear chute where they are compressed into the grass box as you mow, for a quick and tidy cut every time. We've continued to build on that brilliant idea, making lawn care easier by design. And because hover mowers float on a cushion of air, they're lightweight and easy to maneuver, making them especially suited to awkward-shaped lawns. They can easily move around curves and obstacles on the lawn, handle slopes with ease, and cut close to paths or patios, making them the fastest and easiest way to mow your lawn. When you've finished mowing, the hover mower is lightweight, making it easy to carry and store away. Flymo hover mowers. Brilliant then, and brilliant now.